System documentation has changed because let's be honest, you spend 8 hours coding, you push to production, then your documentation is already dead in 5 minutes. Yeah, I know how it is. We have all been there. We have all been there. I know how it is. A new dev comes to the team, or maybe you need to develop a new feature, so you open your 2-year-old mirror board, or maybe an old README file from your GitHub. I know it don't work, right? And that's exactly why I built Arc95. Come on, needing a new starting point? Just describe what your system look like. Arc95 then generates for you the blueprint in seconds. Repos to diagram. Yeah, we have this feature for you. Woo! So maybe you are working alone, or by coding, or with a team, and you have multi-repos for your project. So this feature can map for you. You choose the repos that you want to map. It auto-generates the architecture already mapped, already documented for you. You can share with your team. It's pretty easy. Let's go to the third one. This one is my favorite. So we're launching a VS Code extension where you can install it by searching Arc95. It's like magic. Using your ArcStation, you can auto-generate a diagram of your system you're working from just one click. Sign up right now and receive 3 diagrams for free, and also you receive up to 3 AI syncs features for free, so you can test it out. And if you do it anymore, you have a pro plan. Don't forget, subscribe, share with your friend. It's Arc95, Arc first, code later. Thanks.